Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C220. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster menu. On the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase and decrease radio volume, mute radio, answer phone calls, and next, thanks to this button, we can activate voice assistant. If you press right here, you will use horn. Behind the steering wheel, we've got the lever, thanks to which we can activate cruise control. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.